morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Welcome to the vlog. Last night was pretty chill. Woke up once again right in front of Dana's place. Very nice to be under a big shady tree. And the mission for today is to get a transmission for the Civic Wagon. So that's what we will be doing today after I enjoy my nice coffee, because that's what I need right now. Bam, look at that. Steep coffee bag, steep. Alright guys, I'll see you when I wake up a little more. Cheers, guys. Woo! Look at that Toyota. Hey, no roughing. Hades. Oh, damn. What up, Armando? Good morning, sir. Oh yeah, get them pets, get them pets. Whoa! Just be flashing a wad on camera like that, people are gonna think think I'm selling things out of the back of this Element, man. How's your morning going? What car are you painting?
I had a Kia.
Kia boys. Fuck. They all start to look the same after a while. All these Kias be the same. Hell yeah. Alright, well, you're on lunch, so let's get this hood off and get you up and going. Alright, Wagon, we're taking your hood off, baby. Bam. Alright, and just like that, hood off. All that purple flake I put into this. Sand it off and make her just look good, because yeah, she needs to just look better. Hell yeah. Red wagon, and look, you got mismatching wagon fenders as well. Huh, twins. Goddamn. You got it? Oh yeah. Perfect. Excellent.
Early, caught watching YouTube videos over and over and over.
Yeah, get the belly rubs. Yarg.
Where are you trying to go?
Just got done having some breakfast, went and picked up Jack in a Box for us, and I actually got a call from the people from EBT. I signed up for it, and I got a call this morning, so I was actually on the phone with them. That's why I didn't record anything of us eating, but the Element's a little dirty on the inside right now, so while I wait for everything to happen for today, I'm gonna clean her up because she's a little dirty on the inside. So let's do that. It's gonna be clean in 1, 2, 3. Relatively easy to clean up. I got my 2-gallon expandable water jug up there, my coffee, some miscellaneous knickknacks, Hades dog food behind the water, and over here it's just the bed, so nothing too crazy. My extra water down there, cups, cleaners, hand soap, and a sleepy little puppy. Huh? Yeah. Oh, good boy. Alright, so Dana has officially moved his wagon, and it's time to get mine up there. so the car's so low right now that I actually have to try to lift it up. So come on, let's try. 3, 2.
They went past.
Yeah, we did it.
Rolled all the way in.
Let's go.
No, we gotta go
Oh, we
back.
gotta go back? Okay.
They went way too far.
Better further in than not enough, am I right? Alright, 3, 2, there we go. Oh, wow. Hell yeah. Alright, I will let you do your thing, bro.
The low life. The low life chose him.
That's a fact. That's a fact. The goal for this car was to slam it to the ground, and to its detriment, I did that, so. I like the phrasing Dana said earlier, that the car's going under the knife, because that's literally what it feels like. It feels like she's getting surgery done right now.
I mean, the last time we went under the knife was at your brother's house how many years ago?
That, like 3-4 years ago now.
That was a clutch swap.
Yeah.
That you guys did, and we pulled up on you guys.
Yep.
Yeah, now it's... Well, how many times did you go through a transmission? Now?
So, this will be its second transmission. So for every person that I've taught to drive stick, I've lost the clutch base. That's how I view it. After every person.
So, Sabrina, he's really blaming you.
Nah.
A repeated cycle is what he just said.
I
taught somebody how to drive stick shift.
I just see patterns. Alright, so Dana has put you guys up on a time lapse, and we were just under there on his channel. I will let you go check him out for all that. But like I said, he's putting y'all on time lapse. We're gonna hop in the Element here, and we are gonna take off to Fairfield, which I will time lapse the drive up there, so you'll get double time lapse all the way through. And then when I get back down here, Dana should have everything hopefully sorted out, because
I'll get it all taken out by the time you leave my block.
Underneath there, she kind of Frankenstein. So, but I fully believe this guy. He's done it before on many other cars, so it's just now with this one. All right, guys, let's get going. I don't know how well you could see it, but it looks like the hills are on fire up there, so that's not good. Alright guys, so I stopped the time lapse because Dana sent me a message and I'm just stuck in traffic. So he literally has the transmission out of the car, and I sent him a picture of me in traffic, and he's like, Minecraft that shit, go up the hillside. Which honestly, I wish I could. Look at these hills. The Element could take it. Let's go. Damn. Lifted Element. What up? Heck yeah, dude. He's about it. Guys, so we are officially in Fairfield, and the best part about being this far north in the bay is there's Dutch Brothers all over the place up here, and we still have a little bit of time before 6 o'clock before the homie Mark gets home from work after picking up the transmission. So we're gonna go hit up a Dutch Brothers, and I want to say a big thank you to Junior and his family for actually sending me a Dutch Brothers gift card about, I would say about a week or so ago. I'm actually going to go ahead and use that. I already uploaded it to my Dutch Pass, and we are going to go grab some coffee, because I haven't had enough coffee today, apparently. But yeah, so let's go to Dutch Bros. Dutch Bros, I'm here for you. So this pup was just not waiting. He wanted that pup cup as soon as I got it in my hands. He going to town. And for me, I got myself a nice cold brew, and I'm probably just gonna take my time with this because I got a long drive back and I still need to go get that transmission, and it is just about 6. So let's get over there.
Caesar's 88 SI?
Uh-huh.
Or is that of the 90 SI hatchback?
90 SI hatchback or Caesar's SI. Alright. Well, goddamn. And look at all the beautiful cars, guys. Alright. So, looking good. Looking good. First step complete. And we're just gonna throw it right back here on top of my bed platform. And it should hold it. We should be good. So we have officially picked it up. Transmission is in the back on my bed, just like I said. And we got an hour and 15-minute drive to get back to Dana's place. And yeah, let's get there in a matter of seconds. Made it back. Whew. Oh, and he's got his wagon parked up right by mine. God damn. Alright, so we're back. Old one is out. And there's the new one. Look at all the oil caked up on that thing. It's black versus silver. And obviously, engine tilted because that thing is ready. She's ready. Is literally 9:20 and we are at O'Reilly's. Just got a new clutch and some motor oil. I can't probably see anything, but we are ready to get going. We've been 33 minutes and a couple seconds in and the engine's already upright. Dana is just flying, bro. Alright, and Dana is also feeding me some pho, bruh. Homemade pho. Dude, look at this. Look at this.
The beautiful part about homemade pho is you can make as much as you want. You can add as much as you want. Like the amount of spice this guy threw in here.
Well, you know.
It hurt me just looking at the amount that he's putting in there, but you know, God. That's what makes it fire.
Oh,
hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh, man. Oh, look at that piece of meat with the bone still on, bro. Alright, I gotta stir in all this spice. Make sure it's all nice and even. And then we'll give it a nice taste. Oh, it smells so good. Guys, cheers. Oh my God. Maybe because it's only I've had caffeine and Jack in the Box for breakfast, but oh my God, it's so freaking good, dude. Oh, life-saving. Alright, I'll see you guys when this bowl's empty. Never had homemade pho before, but man, that was freaking stellar. And just like I promised, that bowl empty. Delicious. Straight delicious.
They didn't want to make a lot of noise, but we used the impact the entire way. And Herb got to eat some pho. But the only thing that's left is transmission fluid, and then we can drop the car.
Crazy. That was so fast. Gucci taters. God damn, boy. It honestly took me longer to drive to Fairfield and back than it did for him to put in the whole transmission and get her up and running. God damn. Just about 3 hours of driving for about an hour and 40 minutes of labor. Dana, fucking love you, bro. Alright guys, and honestly, with seeing the car drive back up here on the driveway of its own free will, Dana right here killed it, dude.
Technically, I drove it up.
Cars don't have their own free will. We will them to do what they do. But yeah, the car's up and running again, man. And it's, what time is it right now? We're almost approaching 12, but we've been sitting and talking. 12:10? We've been sitting and talking for a minute, so yeah, guys, it's been one heck of a day. You came with us from the very beginning, just like every other day, so I think we're gonna call it a night here, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!